Good morning, Santa Clarita. I'm Connor with Honor. This is your daily real estate update. Today's, of course, the 20th of July, 2024. This is what's happening. I'm Connor with Honor, bringing you the latest updates for our local real estate market. So let's dive into today's market watch for Santa Clarita Valley, which is going to encompass the beautiful communities of Castaic, Canyon Country, Newhall, Saugus, Stevenson Ranch, and of course, Valencia. So the latest figures coming soon: listings 979 new listings have been posted in the past 7 days. 51 properties have had their prices changed. 21 properties have gone back on the market, having had their escrows canceled. Active under contract properties 36, 49 pending, 58 closed, 3 expired, 7 canceled, 13 have been put on hold, 5 have withdrawn. And that's about it. Not a lot of exciting stuff in the local market besides properties are still moving rather quickly, but we are seeing inventory starting to build. We'll have to see how the time plays out in the future as to what that's going to mean to the overall market. But that does bring us to a total of 474 active listings as of this morning throughout the entire Santa Clarita Valley. Highlights from the last 7 days in the past week: we have seen a dynamic range of activity across various statuses and property types. Here's a summary of the key changes. New listings with 79 new properties entering the market. That's definitely a fresh wave of opportunities for buyers. Whether you're looking for a single family home, a condominium, or a townhome, there's something new to explore. As far as price changes go, we had a notable 51 listings that have seen price adjustments. This is a critical metric for both buyers and sellers to keep an eye on. Price changes can definitely indicate market trends and provide opportunities to negotiate better deals. Closed sales: we had 58 properties that closed successfully this past 7 days, and this does showcase that continuous movement and demand in our local market. Back on market properties 21 properties have come out of escrow and gone back onto the market. So if you had offers out there that weren't accepted, pay attention to those properties you had offers written for and see if they fall out. In addition, have your agent do their due diligence to continue that follow-up with those listing agents. In the pending sale realm, we had 49 properties under the pending status, and the market does remain active. That does signal a strong buyer interest in ongoing transactions. And here's some featured properties, something that kind of caught my eye this last week. Entering the market, a property on Brigadoon Court in Castaic that's listed almost at 740 grand. You can see that posted at santaclaritaopenhouses.com. We have one on Narrowleaf Willow Lane in Valencia, and these are Jasmine's, 770 grand. Check that out also. And then of course Thompson Ranch Drive over in Canyon Country, beautiful estates over there, great. That's at 1.2 million. So please check that out also. So as a special treat, here's a little preview from the book I'm working on. In one of the chapters, I delve into the potential pitfalls in real estate. This includes the too good to be true offers and scams that are designed to collect potential personal information or sell harmful products or services. And in addition, it's important and essential to stay informed and vigilant to protect your investments and personal data. Whenever you're going online looking for any kind of a vendor, understand that most of the internet has become a large trading floor. And if you're going to be reaching out to somebody, now AI seems to be moving into a lot of different advertising and marketing channels. And you see that if you're surfing any of the social media, it's almost like it's so attractive to find somebody real talking, even if they have a face for radio. You're always welcome to provide any of the information that you'd like us to convey in additional shows. Now, we do this every day. I do it every day, 7 days a week, and it's always typically a 7-day capture of the market activity for all of Santa Clarita Valley. A couple things that are going to be happening into the future: you're going to see the book coming out. It's going to be a Santa Clarita real estate guide. It'll have all of the information that a buyer needs, and I'm going to make it green, and it's going to be updated with all the links to the internal pages of the Q&A sections on santaclaritaopenhouses.com, which is the complete local resource to find all the listings. I keep it unlocked. You're not going to have to give up any personal and private information until, of course, you're ready for me to help you or yours. I'm Connor with Honor. Please let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to highlight or any additional points in the future. More than happy to address that as well. Have a fantastic weekend. It is Saturday. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.